What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to block all adult websites in Windows 11 without using any third-party application, right? So what you want to do guys, just simply open up any browser that you may have, right? In my case I'm gonna use Google Chrome here, and what you want to do, just simple search for OpenDNS. Right, and you will see the OpenDNS on the website here. So you want to go ahead and choose the first option where it says OpenDNS. This will take you to the OpenDNS website. Now once you're here, you will see that you have two options. You have the enterprise security and you have the consumer security. Now we will focus on the consumer security here, as we're not in the enterprise. So let's go ahead and click learn more here. And once you're here, you will have a bunch of options here. You want to choose the option that says OpenDNS Family Shield, right? And as you can see, it's pre-configured to block all the adult content here, right? So you want to click on Setup Guide, and here you will have the IP address, right? And you can do so, you can set this up on your router, you can set it up on your computer, which is the one that we will use in this case. As I mentioned, Windows 11, you can set this up on your smartphone, any smart devices, and even your server. You can do so as well. If you want to block it in your entire household, you can go ahead and you can add these IP address from the router level. If it's a computer in the system that you're using or your child is using and you want to block it, you can do so as well. And smart devices, this means like smartphones, this means your TV, all of such, tablets, etc. You can do so, and you can add the IP address here. So I'm going to show you how it is done from the computer level and within the Windows 11, right? So what I'm going to do guys, just simply go ahead and click the Windows icon here, and you want to simply type network, right? So you will see view network connections. You want to click on that, or you can also go ahead and access this from your control panel as well. Let me show you. So if I click here and I go to control panel and open up the control panel here, you will see where it says network and share center. So you can go ahead and click on that as well. And here on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and choose change network adapter, which will open up this for you. Now you have some options here. If you're connected with the Ethernet cable, you will be able to see this option enabled, which is the Ethernet. And if you're connected to Wi-Fi, you will see it just like myself. So I currently connected via Wi-Fi, and so I will set it up from the Wi-Fi. Right, let me go ahead and close this one. So what you want to do, just simply right click on the Wi-Fi here, and you want to go to properties. And then you want to find the IPv4, right? So this is the Internet Protocol version 4. You want to click on that and then go to properties. Now you want to choose the option where you see it says use the following DNS server addresses. You want to click on that so you have this enabled. Now what you want to do now, to go back here to the OpenDNS, you want to go ahead and copy the IP address here, the first one, and you want to go back here and you want to do the first. You can do Control V to paste it, or you can write it out, whichever. Easier to Control C and to Control V. So I'm going to copy again the second option here, and I'm going to go here again and I will copy the second one. Once you do that, you want to click OK, and you want to click close, and then you want to go ahead and close and reopen your browser. If you try to access the adult website now, it will work, right? But you just have to close the browser and open it once more. Now what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to put the link here to this within the description of the video. Let me go ahead and copy it so that I will remember to put it in the video for you. The video description, you'll be able to find it within the video description once I upload this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close the browser right now. I'm going to try to access the adult website so that you can see that it's blocked. So I'm going to close out and I'm going to open the browser once more. And yeah, let's go ahead and type. So let's go ahead and type adult websites, right? And you have a bunch of different adult websites here that you can try to access from, right? So let's try, let's say porn. Let's type porn, and you see the first option here, it says Pornhub. So you can try that as well. So let's go ahead and click on that, and here you can see right away that this website is blocked, right? Even if you click advanced, you cannot move forward. And this is basically meant that the website is blocked, right? Now what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to close out of this, right? And I'm going to try to remember this website here. So let me go ahead and close out of this, and I'm going to go back to the server, to the level here of the IPv4 properties, and I'm going to remove this, right? So I'm going to remove all of these, click OK, click close, And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to open up the website once more. Will not go into the website too much because I'm not very interested here. So you will see right here and then, the guys, that the website is now available. But that's how you can basically block it. And as I said, you don't have to use a third-party application, because as you can see here, third-party application which blocks site, you can use this application as well within Chrome by simply installing an application, an extension there to enable it to block websites. But you can do so as well, as I mentioned before, to block websites as well. So this is how you can easily block any website without installing any third-party application within Windows 11 by simply adding the IP addresses from clouddns.com. Right now, guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.